First in wisdom, second to nobody. Welcome, my children, to our village. Sit down and listen to the wisdom of our ancestors. That is dangerous. You sit here clapping and nodding. Our music plays through foreign instruments. Why allow our own instruments to gather dust? Are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed? What have we done again?
Chief, music is music.
Silence, Mr. Speaker. Are you not ashamed? Foreign instruments. Where are our instruments? Where are our traditional instruments? Why do we allow them to gather dust while speakers do all the work? I ask you again, where are our instruments? Exactly! I am Mbe1. First in wisdom, second to nobody. But why should we gather in an Igbo village to celebrate Igbo music as culture on mere speakers? A foreign speaker may stop working tomorrow, but when ours go silent, who will teach the next generation to make them sing again? The danger is not that we learn from others. The danger is losing the sound of our own. Ours in not only music, it is the native science of harmony. Igbo kwenu? Yeah! Igbo kwenu? Yeah! Igbo kwezuonu o? Yeah! Do not think you are more Gen Z than me. You think I don't know foreign music? Eh? Look at me. I play guitar too. I even played Oliver de Coque's Identity. So don't mistake me. I am not against foreign music. I can dance it. I can play it. I can enjoy it. But when we dance our Igbo dance, let our Igbo instruments speak. You see, my friend? The science is in the drum, not the clothes. Now, DJ, give us that ancient beat. Our traditional dance must proceed from our traditional instruments. Let the hands of our people make the music. Let the young learn from the old. Schools, communities, everybody, take note. Teach our children. Let them know the rhythms. Let them learn the dances. Let our culture live through their hands, not merely through loudspeakers. Schools, communities, churches, everybody, take note. Teach our children the instruments. Let them know the rhythms. Let them learn the dances, their hands. The mathematics of tempo, rhythm, timing, pattern, and coordination. Every beat has its place. Every instrument has its voice. Every movement has its meaning. It keeps the mind in synchrony with the body, with movement, and even with the rhythm of the universe. And beneath it all is mathematics, a coordination. Come to think of it, do you know what happens when I beat gong and others play our different traditional instruments? We make music? That is symphony upon harmony. I am Mbe1. First in wisdom, second to nobody.